For me, it was quite a big transition to the factory team. Of course, I came from a Yamaha before, but when you go to a factory team, it's quite a big jump. You know, with you can change so much on the bike. You have so many possibilities what you want to change, and sometimes you can get a little bit lost with that. So I'm very happy with the GET products. With the team, we test a lot with GET, and we try to get the best solution for us as. At this level, the start is the most important part of the race. I would say it's 80% of the race is to have a good start. So to have the whole shot is very important, and that's why we are using GET to make the most out of to get the most out of the bike and out of the performance out of the start.
We expect from GET to have the best possible material, to have our bike being really performant. The main target is to win some championship. What is important for Yamaha is to be really part of the game, to animate the races and to win some races and championship, of course.
Nel 2015 partecipavamo al campionato del mondo della classe 450. In quell'anno abbiamo vinto il mondiale noi, grazie a una cosa che sul mercato non la trovavi, dovevi solo chiederla a qualcuno che te la facesse. In questo caso un elettronico, un fornitore, un partner, in questo caso di GET, che ci potesse preparare questa centralina per azionare quel famoso componente che per noi era così importante.